if you are planning to create a video, and the most common problem is that you cannot record videos longer than 10 seconds, or if you tend to create two, it's not consistent. So with this tool, I'm going to show you how you can create longer videos. So go to this website, and there are multiple plans. I'm going to show you on the free one, but what you do, you can just describe the kind of video. If it's going to be landscape, portrait, you can record up to 10 minutes if you pay for, which is pretty cool. Then you can select the voice, kind of subtitles, and you can create your script. Now, this is a very cool part because literally you can just be typing and it's going to tell you how long is going to be the script. I will fast forward this part, so that way I can show you how the video is generated. So I'm going to just skip until minute 3:35, and then I just send the prompt, and the video is being generated. And then maybe I will fast forward again, as this is a long process. And then I just did it to minute 4:34, and the video is there. So I just click on the video, and it's showing me literally the video that I created. Everything is created with AI, and one question that I had from one of the students is, it seems like it's just taking pictures from somewhere else. It's not. If you type in the prompt, like keep the same character consistent for the next 10 minutes, it's going to keep the same character consistent for the duration of the 10 minutes. So that way, if you want to have longer videos, this is a very good tool. A little pricey, but
in a world flooded with noise, one brotherhood is decoding the signal. Meet Brain Juice, a tight-knit crew of AI specialists, thinkers and tinkerers who live and breathe artificial intelligence. Have you seen the new transformer model drop from Meta? Game changer. And that neural interface paper from MIT? Crazy implications for BCI. From cutting-edge tech to breakthrough articles and bold debates, Brain Juice brings the freshest AI insights straight to your feed. Brain Juice is an elite group of AI specialists redefining AI applications for humankind.